The next one here is from an IB question where they had a truth table already set up and they're telling you the steps. Okay, so these columns were already filled in and there's some missing trues and falses in there, and so you're going to fill in the blanks. So basically this is what you would do to answer this big question right here. You'd break it down into parts. There's a P or Q but not both. There's a not P but not both, not Q. And there's a not P and a not Q. So you're going to break down each of those parts. So they kind of step you through it, and then you just have to fill in the values. So false, false, true, true, false, true, false, true. Negating. Okay, P or Q, but not both. P and Q. So one or the other, but not both is true. If you look on your table, that is false, true, true, false for the original, which is what we're doing. So false, true, true, false. It's on your table there. Yours is on your formula sheet. It's a little bit nicer. And then we're doing the same comparison, but between these two columns this time. Okay, so it's true as long as only one of them is true and not both. Or both false. So one or the other, but not both. You gotta have at least one true or less if there's 3 letters. All right, so false, false, true, true. I was comparing the wrong columns, so you put your fingers in the right place. I'm not editing this video. So I'm comparing these two, sorry. False, true, true, false. Comparing the not P and the not Q. And we negated, so it still worked out. So now, this last step, the whole big step, we're comparing this one to this one using implication. So sometimes I'll just put it right there in the picture. So I remember that I'm doing implication from here to here. Well, implication again is often in these problems because it has to do with the if-then stuff. It's only false when it's true followed by false. So it's true a lot of the time, which means there's a tautology a lot of the time. So that's true, 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 true. So the follow-up question would be explain why this is a tautology or a logical contradiction or neither. Sometimes they'll say explain. This individual question asks you to talk about the difference between P or Q and P or Q but not both. So it asks you to distinguish those. Sometimes it'll say why is it a tautology, and you can say all the last column's true. Okay, so there's another little truth table example.